When we're talking about flavour in food, it's very hard to go past chilies. Chilies would have to be one of the easiest plants to grow, and is probably the reason why it's become one of the most popular and sought after plants in the last few years. There's a flavour to suit every palate. Now, if you haven't grown chilies before, then you will notice a change in the colour of the fruit as the fruit matures. So generally, most chilies will start as a green colour and then move through to become yellow, red, and even take on, in some cases, a tinge of purple or black. They do enjoy a good dose of sunshine. A minimum again of 5 to 6 hours of sunlight each day will give you the best yield possible. To encourage chilies to continue to produce lots of fruit, the basics are that you need to continually be harvesting. So don't let your chili plants get inundated with too much fruit. One of the added advantages of chilies as well is that they can be dried for later use. So if you're not planning on using them fresh, harvest them off the plant, dry them out, and you can reuse them later. When you're ready to plant your chili plants, be sure to check the plant spacing, which is indicated here on the front of the label. So with this particular variety, it's asking for a plant spacing of around 40 centimetres. So to plant your chili, simply upturn and tap your plant out of the pot, making sure not to disturb the root system too much. Dig a nice hole about 1.5 to 2 times the width of the root ball and gently backfill, keeping your plant slightly elevated above ground level. That'll stop water from congregating around the base of the plant. And don't forget to water in.